Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. This is Valenciaglq Life Queen. How are you? I'm super excited that you're back here. I have some great things I want to share with you. I am not going to keep you long, but I'm going to give you a couple of things that has helped me work online in business. If you are an online marketer, or maybe you're somebody brand new and you're trying to figure out what to use to make your content pop, help with maybe webinars or even just videos or websites or any type of anything content. We're talking about thumbnails because every little thing plays a big part in making your information stand out to make you brand yourself properly, and some things that can help you along the way to help you build yourself within so you can have more confidence in being able to produce what you have, because if you are not a product of what you have, then you have no money. All right, let's get straight to it. All right, so I want to talk to you guys about Flex Press. Have you ever heard of it? This is how I make some quick little introductory videos, not only for some things I use on YouTube, even just marketing material. Even sometimes I'll make them for other people, maybe on my team, or people who just need some video information to show their work. So actually, let's go to. I'm going to show you real quick something that I just made a few minutes ago. It's really simple. Look how simple this is. This is a quick 10-second video that you can use for intro, things of that nature. Or maybe you want to advertise something, you want something a little bit longer, you can do that as well. Let me go here. This one is pretty cool. I like this one too. I just want to give you a quick view of what you can do with something so simple. I pay a quarterly fee. There's different options you can do to use this, and it's also an affiliate program. So this means you can share it with people and they can earn from it as well as using it. And the thing about it is, guys, this is just something that you can add to your tools and things that you're using to promote your business. Okay, that's just a small little group of things that I do have. I just wanted to show you that it's called Flex Press. I'm going to put the link for it below and you can have at it. Okay, also Canva, guys, let's not forget about that. There's a free version and there's also a paid version. Okay, this is what I use to make most of my content. Okay, if you want to make a quick ad, you're trying to advertise who you are. You're trying to bring awareness to who you are. You get to put your company name. You get to put maybe YouTube or maybe IG, whatever it is that people can connect with you. That's what it all is. You can, if you have a group of people maybe in your team and everybody is trying to make great content, you can share one link and you could be a part of the creative team and share things with them in itself. So if you're interested, I'll drop the link for you behind that. It's also great for making your own t-shirts. If you want to make your own designs with a lot of other things, you can do that. Let me just see if I can give you a quick example of all of the list of items that you can use Canva for. And even the free version is very amazing. Okay, you have the ability to do so many different things: video presentations, presentations for your businesses. If you wanted to do, look, quick little video examples you want to put in your stories for IG, for Pinterest, things of that nature, you have the ability to do that. You want to create flyers, okay? You want to create certificates for your business, for other people, logos. It helps you out with newsletters, magazine covers, presentations, as I said, flyers. There's so many different things you can do with YouTube channel art, business cards, social media. So please, I would love to have you part of my creative team. We can share different designs back and forth. So I'll definitely drop the link for that as well. All right, now let's get into a little bit more meat and potatoes. Well, how about if you wanted to boost your credit, right? And also save you some money. So we all have a lot of time right now. I just started sharing this platform, but I've been using it for a whole year. And if you can see, it says your credit builder account is complete, which means that I'm waiting tomorrow for a few $100s that I saved by just being a part of this great self builders loan, which means that I became my own, loan, and I was able to help boost my credit 116 points with this system, guys. And I paid a minimum of maybe like about 30 something dollars every month, and it helped me build my credit and save. So I'm waiting to get a deposit for about maybe $600. That's not bad from actually putting something in that's benefits you in more ways than one, because we do know, credit can actually open the doors and in many ways. Plus, you get $10 for anybody that you refer this to. So I'm going to drop the link for that below as well. So you're welcome to it. uh, don't be surprised of how much you can actually do for yourself when you are building your credit. I also have some other information. Check out my links below if you want to build your credit in a different kind of way. You want to remove any type of debt. You need documentation for rent reporting. I have the ability to give you that as well. So you can check the rest of my page, go through my videos, or I'll drop the link for that as well. You can go through that. If you have any issues, come on, message me. All right. Now let's get on to what I've been using for the past 4 years. If you need a website, you need a chat builder, you need an app build, you need auto, an autoresponder. Because in business, I don't care what you're doing online, I don't care what you're trying to do. If you have the need for a business, you need to treat your business like one, right? So yes, free websites are pretty good, but you have no control of your people. People come in and go out. You can't capture their emails. You're not generating the email list, and we know money is in the email list. So with this, you can create that. You can capture email lists, right? Not only you do that, you can. We have a funnel club. We have a funnel builder. E-learning, guys, we all have learned something. What if you learned something that you can put a price on? You can put it in an e-learning course and sell it, right? Or maybe give it away as an introduction to your businesses. I do that as well. So if you are interested in a way to learn how to market your business, I will leave the link for that below, that you can actually join and get buy one of my courses. It's actually on sale right now. If you needed to make a website, okay, what about a website chatbot? You know, we have ways where you can help yourself not be online 24/7. The key is financial freedom. In order to do that, you need a system. And this system, which is Build a Roll, is going to help you do that. Not only that, if you're brand new and you decide to set up your service, you can get paid instantly. Okay. You can get paid 100% when you refer this to other people online. Maybe they are already in business and they need a website, or maybe they're just wanting to start a business and they have don't know how. This is a business in a box. There are so many different things you can do. SEO reporting. Look at this. You can do SEO reports. Okay. We also have script generators for people who have an email list and don't understand what to say. We help you with that. Magazine builder, a 3D photo editor, okay, webinars, okay, you don't necessarily have to use Zoom. You can use this, a messenger chat bot, okay. We also have animated VSL video builder. I know a lot of people normally go to, what is it called? Ferrera, right? For $5, $10, $20 and get it. You can do it here within this one system. There are so many different things built into this one system. Telegram chat. Okay, Telegram chatbot. So where if somebody asks you a question, maybe you have some people that's across seas and they don't have accessibility or data, they can communicate with you through that. Okay, share lockers. We also have video hosting, where you can have a video on your page, or maybe like the Flex Press that I just showed you, and you don't want to upload it to YouTube or any of the other sources. You can download that video straight from your PC or your phone and put it on your website. Okay, you can add a chat bot, so this way that it can help people guide you through your website, so you don't have to worry about having people leave because they don't see what they need. Click maps, okay, booking builder. So if somebody is not available and maybe you want to set up a specific time to get on the phone and answer questions, this is great for that. Okay, browser notifications, the mock-up studio. The mock-up studio is phenomenal. Let me go into that real quick. I love this because it's, once again, it's another form of making content for your business or for others, and then you can charge people for it. So now that you have one way to earn and help you in your business, now you can make mock-ups for other people and charge them a fee. Okay, you can charge them all day long. People are looking for ideas and templates for their content. Just looking at some of the things that we do have, it's really, really great. Let me go back to the mock-ups here. I have a lot of things open. That's probably what's keeping it slow. But this is just some of the stuff that I've made it myself. Look how simple this is. It looks like a Twitter page that I downloaded. This is showing content for a training that I made. Same thing right here. It looks like a computer with some proof of some earnings. These are just some mock-ups that I generated myself. Laptops. These are videos that move. This is really simple, guys. And the simple part about it is it doesn't take long to make up these mock-ups. Once again, look how simple it is. The graphics are amazing, and it's truly, truly, truly phenomenal. So if you're interested in anything that I just said, I am going to put the information below. All the links will be there for you to take advantage of. So if you have any questions, message me, and I see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded. Peace out.